Hello students, welcome to Logic Simplified. Today again we are completing HTML notes and in that we will complete forms today. Till date we have done with tables. I hope you all are understanding all the tags, and if you have any problem you can ask your queries in description box. So let's start with form. Before starting form, I will give you a brief idea why forms are important. Forms are important when you make any mail ID. कोई मेल आईडी बना रहे हो या कहीं पे भी एडमिशन करवाना है, कोई भी रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस है, सबसे पहले आपको फॉर्म कंप्लीट करना होता है. आप किसी स्कूल में भी जाओगे तो आपको एक फॉर्म दे देते हैं जहाँ पे आपको अपना नेम देना है, एड्रेस देना है, यू हैव टू फिल योर जेंडर, नेशनलिटी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू फिल, राइट. ये होता है आपका फिजिकल फॉर्म. बट अगर यही फॉर्म मुझे ऑनलाइन फिल करना है तो वहाँ पे मेरे पास क्या होना चाहिए, एक वेब पेज, और वेब पेज पे अगर फॉर्म बनाना है तो वो कैसे बनाना है, that we will learn today. So basically we have form tag to do this job. So I should say use to create form. In very simple language I can say this, and it has attribute name, method, action. So here we will complete with name, action and method. We'll take in next lecture. How to write, let's check. Form name is equal to, suppose I want to give it a name as my form, you can write just the name, that is your choice, whatever name you want to give you can give, and end of the form will be like this, right. And all these data will be in your HTML. that is a basic structure, so वो तो आना ही है, right. HTML head, title, and suppose in title you want to write my first form, title close, head close, then this is the form, right. But अब फॉर्म में करना क्या है, फॉर्म में आपको क्या क्या चाहिए. पहला टैग सीखते हैं फॉर्म के लिए, that is input. And body tag, let's say body का background color is again yellow, the brighter one, which will give you a clear vision. Then here body tag is closed and then here HTML is closed. Then I'll show you this on the screen as well. So here I'm using the first tag used with form, that is input. Okay, so input means what? You are getting value from user, which type of boxes you want to use. I will take input type is equal to text. And before that, if I want to give a message to the user that enter your name, I'm asking what is the name of the user. So input type is equal to text. This is very basic thing I'm doing. Let's take this in our HTML file. Okay, so we can see that the result will be, there is one box, but here we don't have enter your name, we can't see that. So for that let's change the background. Okay, so this is our first input type is equal to text, first tag we are learning. Let's see the result. See, enter your name, and you can see one box is there where you can write down your name, whatever you are inputting. Later on we will learn that how this data will go to the server. Here it's a good idea if I give one heading. If I say this is my registration form, so I can write registration form. Okay, so here I'm using h1 tag, and you all must be knowing h1 is used for what? H1 tag is used for making your heading. So h1 align is equal to, let's say, center, and here I want to write registration form, and this is the ending, which is we have done with, yes, H1 align is equal to center and then registration form. After this, first tag we are learning input type is equal to text. Here I can give name also. See, this name means what? If I say T1, this T1 you are not able to see anywhere in the web page. This T1 will be used when you are going to do the programming. Like suppose I want to check that what is the name I have given, whether the name is perfect or not. उस नेम में आपने कोई स्पेशल लेटर्स तो नहीं डाल दिए. सपोज मैं यहाँ पे डालती हूँ, अभी कोई भी मैं एंट्री करूँगी, इफ आई एम राइटिंग संध्या स्टार, it will take all the details. But if you want to do any kind of validation कि नाम के साथ लेटर्स नहीं, स्पेशल लेटर्स नहीं आने चाहिए, डिजिट्स नहीं आने चाहिए, ऐसा अगर कुछ भी डालना है तो इसके लिए हमको इस पर प्रोग्रामिंग करनी पड़ेगी, और उस प्रोग्रामिंग के टाइम ये नेम इज इक्वल टू T1 विल बी यूज. सो प्रेजेंटली वी आर नॉट यूजिंग नेम, बट आई एम जस्ट टीचिंग कि नेम के साथ होगा क्या. देन इफ यू से वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू सपोज इंडिया, सो दिस इज द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू. आपने अगर कुछ भी नहीं दिया तो भी इंडिया लिखा हुआ आएगा. दैट यू कैन चेंज, राइट. एंड हियर you can manage max length is equal to, suppose if I say 20, so it will give you maximum length as 20. So after that it will not accept because 20 length is maximum. And then size is equal to, if you say 25, so it will not go beyond that. You can increase the size to see the result. Suppose if I say here 30, all these things are used to give a proper indentation to your web page. So here we have learned what is the meaning of input, and in type the first value we have done with, that is text. So this is input type is equal to text, and the name is used that we will use in programming, and value which is your default value. Maximum length means उसमें कितने number of characters maximum आ सकते हैं, and size is equal to 30 means आपका जो बॉक्स दिखेगा वो कितना बड़ा होगा. देन BR, नेक्स्ट आई वांट टू से एंटर योर पासवर्ड. बिफोर पासवर्ड लेट्स गो फॉर एंटर योर मेल ID. For mail ID also I will show you input type is equal to text only, but later on we will learn there is something else which can be used as mail ID. Name is equal to T2 and value is equal to, if you don't want to give value you can skip it. Max length is equal to 20 and size is equal to, let's say, 30. So here you can say your mail ID will be entered. This is the same as you have done, right? And here if I am using my mail ID as like this, very simple. And then we are asking for your password. So here we'll be having enter your password as a simple statement, and here input type is equal to pass. That's it. Let's write down this only. See the result. When you are going to give your password, it should be password. Input type is equal to you can see whatever I am typing you won't be able to see the exact data because the type is what? Password, and you can't show your password to anyone. So we have learned text for your name, then your mail ID, then password, and next we are learning if you want to say enter your gender. So here we will use radio buttons. Now what are radio buttons? Radio buttons are special buttons which are used to select only single data. For example, if I want to say enter your gender, so there I am writing male, female. So these are the two options, I have to choose any one, correct? So here you will provide radio buttons like input type is equal to radio and here if I am writing male, and second again we are writing input type is equal to radio, and suppose the next value we are writing female. Let's see what happens. Male and female. If I select this, can you see that I can select both, which is wrong. To correct this, here it is essential to give them name, but while keeping name, remember this, the name should be same. Suppose here you are keeping name as R1, then in next also it should be R1 only. दोनों का नाम same होना चाहिए. Then only you will be able to select any one of them. Like male select किया, female select किया, तो by default male selection से हट जाएगा. Male, female, like this you can select. And there is another option. If you want, initially when you open your web page, female selected रहना चाहिए. So for that you have to use checked. So अभी क्या रहेगा, जैसे आप open करोगे female should be checked, वो option available रहेगा, right? या ऐसा बोल देंगे वो option clicked रहेगा, selected रहेगा. You can change it like this. So radio buttons are what? Radio buttons are special options where you can select any one of the option, that is known as radio button. After radio buttons, we'll go for, suppose I want to say enter your hobbies, and for hobbies we can't pressurize user कि एक ही select करो, वो multiple hobbies भी select कर सकते हैं, right? So multiple hobbies such as if you want singing, dancing, gardening, painting, whatever you want to write. So that is not good idea to select any one. मैं सारे select कर सकती हूँ. So उसके लिए हमारे पास box रहेगा input type is equal to checkbox. And here you can write suppose first hobby है मैं डालती हूँ painting, and second let's say input. In HTML you have to be very careful while writing for spellings. Input type is equal to, if I say singing, sorry, input type is equal to, it should be checkbox, and then in option you should write singing. Input type is equal to let's say dancing. Okay, fine, 3 hobbies are enough to show the result. This will be like this. Enter your hobbies: painting, singing. Dancing option is not showing perfect, it means we have done some error in that. See, input type is equal to, it should be checkbox, right? So here I can say all the boxes are square, which means they are your multiple option boxes where you can select all or where you can select none, right? Here again, if you want singing should be selected, so here you can write checked. So while seeing the result, it will be checked. You can change it, you can select any other option. आपने देखा होगा वेबसाइट पे कई बार आपसे ये पूछा जाता है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपके पास है ना मैसेजेस आने लग जाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो भी ऑप्शन आप सेलेक्ट करते हो उसके बेसिस पे एंट्री होती है और उस एंट्री के बेसिस पे आपको मैसेजेस मिलते हैं. सपोज यहाँ पे अगर मैंने सिंगिंग डाला तो धीरे धीरे मुझे सारे ऑप्शंस रिलेटेड टू सिंगिंग के आने लग जाएंगे. ऐसा क्यों होगा? क्योंकि वहाँ पे ये मैसेज जाता है कि इस पर्सन का जो हॉबी है वो सिंगिंग है और अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल गेट ऑल द मैसेजेस. ये एक हमने छोटा सा फॉर्म बनाया है, इसमें हम आगे देखते हैं कि इसको सबमिट कैसे करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव इनपुट बटन, सॉरी इनपुट टैग where you can write input type is equal to submit. So it will give you a button option. Still we have some more options are there which we can put in the form, but that we will see in the next video. So input type is equal to submit. I can write here, click here to submit data. अब आप लोग के दिमाग में ये आ रहा होगा कि ये डेटा जाएगा किधर, राइट? वो भी हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे आपको डेटा को ट्रांसफ़र करना है. This is the submit button which is not working presently. If you want to see it is in the next line, then it will be like this. Click here to submit the data. Last option, input type is equal to reset. And let's check what is the meaning of reset. Value is equal to, if I say clear or data. Sometimes what happens, मैंने फॉर्म भरा और उसमें मेरे से बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हो गई, राइट? और आप उसको वापस से चेंज करना चाहते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर आई हैव डन सम नेम, आई हैव पुट मेल ID कुछ डालते हैं रैंडमली, और यहाँ पे पासवर्ड में भी कुछ डाल दिया, ऑप्शन डाल दिया, पेंटिंग डाल दिया, सिंगिंग भी डाल दिया. Now if I feel that these are the wrong entries, I can say clear all. So it will clear all the entries, it will take you to the default values and you can start again. And this is the option, click here to submit the data. यहाँ हम सीखेंगे कि जब हम डेटा सबमिट करते हैं उससे पहले चेक करेगा कि मेल ID में जो भी एंट्री आपने करी वो प्रॉपर है या नहीं है, @sign is at proper place or not, पासवर्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग है या वीक है. ये सारी चेकिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ सबमिटिंग द डेटा you can check, but later on, not now. These are very basic fundamentals we have learned today related to form. आप लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए. By the time, if you have any query, you can ask. Stay tuned, stay connected. वीडियो पूरा देखो. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.